Hello everyone, today we will have a look to our heavy-duty Zet-Kneader machine. We have the Zet-Kneader machine widely used in the areas where the production takes place of BMC, SMC compounds, Play-Doh or rubber-based adhesives, or even in the automotive industry where the brake pads are produced. We have several options in this machine. We have the double jacket for heating or cooling purposes, as well as the vacuum system. The vacuum system helps to extract the air bubbles from the product. We have also PT100 temperature controls, PLC control as an optional feature as well. This Zet-Kneader machine, we have two types of discharging systems. One of them is vessel tilting system, and the other one is with the extruder system. The mixing Zet blades have two different speeds, which helps the homogenized mixing in a very efficient way. As for the security systems, we have electrical switches on this machine which doesn't let the machine operate if the security grate is open or if it is tilted till half. The mixing blades speed can be adjusted. Again, it can be with frequency converter control system. Our Zet-Kneader machines, we have a variety of different capacities which are starting from 50 liters, 100 liters, 300 liters, 600 liters, 1000 liters, and finally 2000 liters. The mixing Zet blades are working in different speeds, so it can create a homogeneous, efficient mixing. If we have a look on the control panel, we have all the features that is in order to control the machine. We have the start, stop for the main engine, speed increase, decrease, tilting system or vacuum system start, stop. The model with the extruder system, the extruder can operate in both directions. So while mixing process, the extruder works in the backward, so it helps to the mixing process. The both Zet blades can also operate in the opposite direction, so you can make it work forward or backward. While discharging the product, you can choose the backward option, so it will be discharging the product outside of the mixing vessel in an easy way. The tilting discharging system is hydraulic system. As you can see right now, the mixing vessel is tilted till half, and it is tilted with the hydraulic system. After we talk about the main machine for the production, now we can talk about the laboratory type. As you know, before going to the big production, you have to make some samples in the laboratory. So we have the laboratory options as well for these Zet-Kneader machines. We have 600 milliliters, 3 liters and 5 liters. All the specifications, like the big ones, we can guarantee with the small type of this machine. Also, on the back in the middle, you can see the heating oil system, which if you need your process to be heated, so you can circulate heated oil with this unit. Coming to the end of our video, please do not forget to visit our website for more details, or you can contact anytime our high-skilled engineers. We will be providing all the solutions which you need. Thank you very much, and see you with our next video.